Let's now go to fibromyalgia. Let's discuss full dampness. In clinical manifestations, acute pronounced ache in the muscles that is worse after exposure to damp weather, feeling of heaviness, numbness of the limbs, listlessness. The tongue would be thick, sticky coating. The pulse would be slippery. We note that this is a case of fibromyalgia in its acute stage after an invasion of external dampness. We seldom see such patients at this stage. The treatment principle we can use is fragrantly resolve dampness and move chi. We can use the points REN 12, REN 9, spleen 9, kidney 7, bladder 22, LI 10, and stomach 36, all with reducing method except the last 2 points, which should be needled with even method. We can also use ASHI points. The explanation in acupuncture, the REN 12, REN 9, spleen 9, kidney 7, and bladder 22 resolve dampness. LI 10 and stomach 36 invigorate the bright yang channels, which helps to eliminate dampness. Thank you for your attention.